Before there were borders, before there was a nation, there were people. For more than 15,000 years, humans have lived on this land we now call America. The first settlers didn't come by plane or ship. They crossed frozen lands and wild oceans, chasing food, hope, and survival. They became the Native Americans, hundreds of tribes, each with unique languages, stories, and ways of life, living in harmony with nature long before cities or roads existed. Then, in 1492, everything changed. European explorers arrived, seeking wealth, power, and a so-called New World. But for those already here, it brought disease, loss, and unimaginable change. Centuries later, the land became a battleground between freedom and control, hope and conquest. From the American Revolution to the Civil War, humans in America fought not only for land, but for the right to exist as equals. Immigrants from every corner of the planet soon followed, bringing dreams, skills, and courage. Together, they built railroads, cities, and industries, shaping the foundation of modern America. Today, every street, every voice, every dream carries traces of that ancient past, from the first footprints on frozen soil to the skyscrapers that kiss the sky. The story of humans in America isn't just history, it's the story of survival, struggle, and the endless desire to build something greater than ourselves.